guys, building the platform now for 300 series, all DIY. The idea is to build 4 bottom support systems and then put on the plywood and then put the slider on top. 300 seats are removed. These are the bolts that you can use. Actually, plenty of space to bolt things in. So 26 inches.
Where's the...
They're there. They're in the holder, pencil holder. Yeah. So 2 more studs, 26 inches.
Yeah,
Too thick.
Put it here, like this. So I need to cut. Okay. This much. Up to. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And same goes the lower side.
Maybe that I can cut this. There's no. Yeah, I'll probably just
Trim a little bit with this portion, yeah.
yeah.
But let's also trim this edge.
Yeah, you can do that. But...
Okay. Distance between the 2 holes, yeah?
Yeah. $66. No, it can't be. No, 61.6.
61.6
1.6. 61.6
centimeter. 61.6 centimeters.
So 65 minus 61.6, that's 3.4 divided by 2, 1.7. So along that crack, 1.7.
Okay. A little bit more. What's the bit size?
It's about 11 millimeters. It's 7/16 of an inch, but it's about 11 millimeters because the bolts are 10. So okay. So millimeters there.
Nice and clean.
It said 61.6. Yeah. So this is okay. At 2 millimeters is the center. So 63.
This is to make the indentation holes.
nicely. This little bolt, without it, well, I guess
A little bit more
just
deeper,
a little bit more,
yeah, but that
so that it doesn't protrude.
flush.
Then we can put a board on it.
Okay, guys, this is whoa. Your nails have lead
Yeah,
in it.
yeah, I have ink on my nails or something.
Whoa, amazing. Whoa, whoa, that's the biggest. So now the base studs are in place, so we're going to put the plywood on top of it, right?
Yeah.
And then use the space underneath it for other stuff.
Yeah, so I can put actually two plywood plates, basically one here and one here, and decide whether I want to put each one or something, because I might just put a rail, a track here.
Okay, just for...
Instead of plywood, and just for tightening stuff, but that
I think that'll be good if you put a rail and then the fridge can come out.
Yeah. So
looks nice and sturdy.
yeah, and same. I mean, the plywood will stop here, so
Nothing goes beyond that, yeah?
yeah. Or I can actually prolong the tracks if I put like L tracks.
Yeah.
You know.
It'll be good to add a barrier here at the back so things don't move into the seats, and use that space for other things.
Yeah, I can do that.
And then, but it all depends how big is the fridge, which is going to go sideways.
Yeah, that's the thing. So I need to see. I will. For now, I can put one big plywood platform and then cut it if I need to.
Okay.
Like these, like this.
Yeah.
I cut one piece like this with a slight angle, so it fits right here.
Okay.
So there's two goals achieved by this. First, it closes the gap here, so I'm not losing any small bits in the holes.
Yeah.
And second,
I'm gonna put an L track.
Put the L track. Okay.
Excellent.
Second piece, same idea. Another 2x4 with some kind of a dovetail here.
Nice.
And like this,
Oh.
and it goes all the way to the end. And I'm probably going to put another one all the way there for a track,
Yeah.
and maybe here to fill this gap as well with some kind of recession here to put another track. Okay, so now platform is finished, so we just need to fit it in, put the trims back.
So you put the L tracks
Yeah.
Enforce the sides. Okay. So the L-track's in place.
Yeah. So now the platform is I just put it there. I'm gonna put the trims, which are gonna force the platform right into place. Okay. Put this one first.
Perfect.
Okay, now this. Oh yeah, because this is not where it should. Right, and now the platform is not moving, and I'm just gonna screw it on the 4 cross members here.
Yeah.
I haven't done all the holes, but I've got 4, and I'm gonna do the other holes later. But that's just a formality. So this is just to show as well how quick it is to basically install the platform once it's mounted. The holes are perfectly aligned. Ready.
Excellent.
That's it.
That's it. Now we can strap stuff in it.
Yeah.
Jangan